wanted to run some big tires and big wheels on this flex fuel build. We picked out a set of killer 20-inch raceline wheels and mounted those on 41.5-inch Pitbull rocker tires. It's going to look great on this build. We decided to ditch the factory axles on this flex fuel build. We need something that's going to be able to handle the 1,000+ horsepower we're going to be putting to the tires on this thing. In order to do that, we called up our friends at Fusion 4x4 and ordered up a brand new set of Dana 60 axle housings that are ready to bolt into the JL Wrangler.
So we just received our big axle conversions from Fusion 4x4. These are built with custom bracketry and spring perches to bolt right into our E85 JL build. We're going to be stuffing these with Revolution ring and pinion and axles because they know they can handle the abuse we're going to put them through. And we're topping it all off with ox lockers to make sure all 4 Pitbull tires get to help us put this power to the ground.
We wanted a really heavy-duty set of axles under this build because it's going to take a lot of abuse and we're going to be doing some pretty gnarly burnouts with over 1,000 horsepower. When you have that much power going to a set of 41.5-inch tires, it's a recipe for disaster. Any weak link in the drivetrain will cause catastrophic failure. We have to make sure that the horsepower that we're producing can effectively be put down to the ground.
I'm Dave, I'm the vehicle build supervisor here at Hauk. It's my job to take my skills and the skills of the team to make Kenny's vision for these builds a reality. I oversee the parts and custom fabrication on these builds to make sure it all works as intended and comes together seamlessly. As a mechanic and fabricator, this opportunity here at Hauk is amazing. I get the chance to work on builds that I would never have the opportunity to work on by myself, and Kenny's visions and being able to back him up and make these things work has been incredible. On the E85 build, what I'm most excited about is this high horsepower motor we're putting in. We build tons of Jeeps here, but nothing to this scale as far as power, and especially with the off-road and that hot rod sort of muscle to it, it's going to be awesome.
Now that our axles are fully built, it's time to go ahead and link them up using our TerraFlex suspension system. The TerraFlex kit comes with 8 fully adjustable upper and lower control arms, springs, and some brand new Falcon shocks. TerraFlex also makes some really nice adjustable bump stops that we're going to be installing in the front of the JL. All we need to do is cut off the factory mounts for the bump stops and install the new units.
So it's time to get the E85 build off the jack stands. We're going to be using our TerraFlex arms and bump stops along with Falcon shocks to install our Fusion 4x4 axles and pop on our raceline wheels and our 41.5-inch Pitbull tires.